hopefully this one is not as fragile. Just wish this... Here's a stupid thing to say, but just wish the sticker was in better shape. Let's get rid of it. I can always make my own sticker, but that one just, I don't know, looked grubby. Alright, so get this back in there without damaging anything. Nice. Before I slip it in there, let me show you. This is the post that it rides on, and you don't want to make sure none of these gears move during this process, because if they do, you have to retime everything. So we gotta get it onto this post without messing any of this stuff up. Okay, now this guy needs to be reconnected down here. Like that. And then this go back in where it was. You know, the big fight was getting that guy down in and around there. So we'll see if it's the same way when we're putting it back together. It's not quite as much of a fight now that things have kind of been opened up and loosened up a bit, but it's still hard to really grab it. Grab the spring to get it down in and around there. Not much room to work with. Let's try putting these screws back in. So I think with these in, it'll kind of maybe hold everything together a little bit more. I don't know. At least that's the thought. And you know what they say, it's the thought that counts. Interesting. So before, the old latch would move pretty freely, and now when I press on this, it's tight, and it looks like it's binding here. The catch is binding against the door, or the frame. Sorry, the catch is binding against the frame. So I wonder if their re-engineered one is just too big. As you can see, everything kind of flex and move when it gets out of the way. So that means I'm going to have to file this one down a little bit to get a little more clearance in there. At least I think. I really don't know. Oh, sticky screws. Look at that. adhesive from the plate being on there. Okay. Alright. So yeah. See where it was rubbing? Really didn't leave any markings. Well, a little bit on the body there. So I'm going to try and file this down a little bit to gain some clearance. I honestly don't think we need very much clearance to make it fit, but it's not exactly the most even, flat, flush file, but it'll have to do. Alright. Screws back in place. Yay, we got movement now. Alright. That's actually what we want to see. We want to see it being able to move. Before it was just jammed up inside of there. Too much catching on everything. Okay. This bullshit again. It's not fun. Okay. So I guess we could test it. Maybe? Boop. The way it should do it. Alright. I just gotta put it back together. So bottom plate.